Himachal, the Devbhumi. We reached Manali from Leh, where truck roads are gone. Himachal is still facing the natural calamity, raining throughout the day. After 2 days of rest, finally a sunny day, we decide to explore the Jogini waterfall in Manali. We started our journey from Old Manali to Mal Road by walking, and it's around 2 kilometers. From Mal Road, we have to reach a place named Washish, which is 3 kilometers away, and from there, we are starting our trekking towards Jogini Falls. Thank you. The person who gave us a lift for a short distance told us about a shortcut to Washish, but it's need a small hike. We choose to hike through the beautiful meadows. It's apple season here and just 3 more weeks to get harvested. After 30 minutes of hiking, we reached Washish. It's famous for the Washish temple and the hot spring. From here, we started our trekking towards Jogini Falls through the village. Nowadays, these routes are less crowded because of the bad weather conditions in Manali. We can see apple plantations throughout the trekking. We are slowly entering to the pine forest. These forests are very dense. After walking sometimes through the dense forest, we reach an open place where we can see the waterfalls. Here is a place where lots of people are taking bath, but this is not the place where we need to go. We plan to go to the top of the waterfall, but this need a lot more trekking through the dense pine forest. The forests were so steep, because of that it's very hard to climb. We managed to find a way that goes by the side of the pine forest. From there, we can see the beauty of waterfall. We continued our trekking towards Jogini Falls. On the way, we met some Malayali students. We can see the beautiful view of Manali from there. We are slowly getting near to the waterfall. Due to the wind, water sprinkles towards us. The view is just like the Pandora in Avatar movie. We tried to move near to the waterfall. There is a cave-like structure so that we can go inside the waterfall. The view and the feel from the cave is mesmerizing. We sit there on a stone and enjoy the beauty for a few minutes. After a few minutes, we started climbing down. The force of the waterfall is very heavy. We got wet and it's too cold to stay there for a long time, so we are slowly moving out. Slowly, we managed to move out of the waterfall. After spending a beautiful time at Jogini Waterfalls, we are slowly moving down.